Sensor templates can be found in the location overview and can be used across the entire company. To create a new template, click the plus button and give the template a descriptive name. In addition, you can add a brief description to quickly convey the template's purpose. Next, you'll configure the template using the same settings you're already familiar with when setting up individual objects. You can set reporting preferences, connection alerts, manual measurements, and other parameters, depending on the chosen sensor. Unless you are able to adjust the settings of your devices, we do not recommend that you use lower warning and action limits. Otherwise, you may receive too many alerts for deviations that you may not be able to correct. If a specific sensor doesn't support certain pre-configured settings, those settings will automatically be ignored. After creating your templates, you can use them across all sites. You can either apply the templates when you set up new sensors in the integration section, or assign them to objects at a later stage. Please note that once a template has been assigned to an object, it is no longer possible to make manual changes to the sensor settings at the location level. All changes have to be made by a supervisor in the template itself and will automatically affect all the objects associated with it. Based on user permissions, sensor templates can be unlinked from objects when necessary. This allows for the flexibility to either replace the existing template with a more appropriate one or to completely remove it and enter custom values manually. Nevertheless, we strongly advise against allowing manual adjustments, as this could interfere with the consistent temperature monitoring system established across multiple locations.